Today is day sweet 16 of magical practices, magic and miracle in health. We should feel happy, energized for having a full state of body, which is a birthright. But in reality, most of us put our energy in thinking about the illnesses, about the dysfunction, about having the bouts of depression and mental health problems. This is not the full state of being healthy. Gratitude helps us in increasing our mental health problems from the disease to having a full state of healthy body. It assists us in improving quickly from a low level to a high level of healthiness. Usually, when we experience any illness, we have negative thoughts about the illness. It is quite true. It happens. It's a human feeling. But when we have the negative feelings, we focus more on the negativity and it has an effect on our health. It worsens our health more. So, by feeling grateful, we have to change this negative feeling to the good feelings of the body. This is a bit difficult, but we have to start slowly by thinking about the good feelings, the good state of our body. Same way, when we are also not satisfied by the physical appearance of ourselves. We don't like some part of our body. We feel the defect is here, it's here. We don't like our hands, we don't like our eyes, some don't like their nose. We keep on complaining about it. But the law of attraction is in force. According to it, it says when you complain anything about your body, you are attracting more problems to complain about, and that is causing your health at risk. So beware of complaining again. If you have done before, start replacing it with gratitude's magical power by being grateful for the healthy body which you are having. When you fall sick, you must be feeling very low. So don't think more about the sickness, because the law of attraction says whoever does not have gratitude for what he or she has, it will be taken away, and whoever has gratitude for the health, he will be given more in future and he will have an abundance of health. Today's magical practice will be going through 3 steps: the health which we have received in the past, the health which we are receiving now in the present, and the health which we will be receiving in the future. Let us start with the first step of the health which we have received in the past. We have to think about those 3 times during starting from a childhood, adolescence and an adult life, and think of the best times when we were full of energy and happiness. We were on the top of the world. We have to think of those 3 times in our mind and say the magical words, thank you for those special moments when you're full of energy, healthy and happiness. The second step is when we have to think about the health which we are continuing to receive now in the present. Think of all the body parts and the organs which are functioning very well and say thank you and feel it from your heart. Say thank you for the healthy arms, for your healthy legs. Thank you for the eyes, the healthy heart. Thank you, healthy heart. Thank you for the intelligent brain. Any function or the organ which is working well, just say thank you and feel gratitude for it, that it's working so well. The third step is we have to think about the magical health which we'll be receiving in the future. If suppose a person is diagnosed with an illness, and it will be a prolonged one, as they might come to know from their reports. So what they do, they start talking a lot about this problem, this disease which they have encountered in their body, and they go on researching about the disease, and they talk about the symptoms and the dreaded outcomes, and they're thinking for all the time about this disease which has come in their body. So here the law of attraction says that you're focusing totally on the disease. So how come your body will become healthy even though you're taking the so many medicines to heal it? Because the body works on the subconscious mind. Whatever thoughts we are having in our mind, the same will be incorporated in our body. To remove this disease totally from our body, we have to use gratitude along with the medicines which we are using to heal the problems of the disease faster and to have a healthy body. So we have to visualize and spend one moment, a minute, about that part of the body which we want to have in the ideal state in the future. We have to imagine it in our mind that we have reached that ideal state and we have improved our body part, and we have to say thank you and feel as grateful as though we have received that ideal state. This may be a little bit difficult, but we have to start to actually experience the magical power of gratitude. This practice can be done anytime during the day or as many times as you think to improve your body, and you can be thankful and as grateful for reaching that ideal state. So that's for the magic in health, and it really acts as a miracle for your health. And we have to remember the day one practice of count your blessings and why we're grateful for it, and we have to say at the end of each sentence, thank you, thank you, thank you, and be as grateful for that blessing. And before going to sleep, just think of the best thing that has happened today. Take the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and say thank you for the best thing that has happened today. And for being a calm listener, thank you, thank you, thank you.